Here is a quick overview of this site that goes over a simple buffer overflow example. If you have never done a buffer overflow, I definitely recommend going to this site and trying this example. Right here you can see the code that it's a very basic simple code that we'll be exploiting. To be more exact, it's the array buffer char buffer array here along with the scanf. That's the vulnerability in this code. Of course, the website goes over and explains everything a little bit more in detail, or at least the parts that you'll need to know a little bit more to explain this, which you can also see in my presentation. As you go down here, it explains step by step what the program is doing, and then finally down towards the bottom it actually shows you how to run the program. So real quick, we're going to run it. You can go ahead and copy and paste the code and compile it. You can get the code right here or download the binary code right here, so you don't have to, so you can get the exact binary that the author is working with. So to do that, we're just going to run the code. And to see that we can enter in some text. And of course it just returns that with the echo, as we can see up here where it echoes. But with this particular exploit, we can actually get to the secret function, and we can do that because of the scanf that's vulnerable to the buffer overflow attack. So to do that, we first run the object dump to get all of this assembly code, and go down here and find the right, or scroll up, I mean, to find where we need to be. And here we go, our secret function, and that explains it. And this right here is our address for the secret function in hex. Now you can't just enter in this address in that intersection and get it, because you have to have your program pointing back to main first. And this is where it explains that we look at the different parts of the function, of each part of the program, and especially this part right here, where the buffer has a 28 bits that are reserved for the buffer. And you can see that over here as well in the echo with right there. No, that one right there is showing the local variables for echo, but then right here shows us the local variable for the function. So basically we need the have 28 random characters plus 4 more to make 32 to get to the next part, which is the EBP that is stored, and so we can jump back to the main function. Once we're there, then we can call the secret function by using its hex, the hex address, by But of course, we have to know if our machine is little in it or big in it. For Intel processor, majority of times, in fact, I think all Intels are little in it, and so that's what I'm going to do here today. Um, and of course, the author does provide a simple way to run some code to have it display the vulnerability. So that's what we're going to do now. And we can see here, we went into our program. We entered 32 characters, which are all A's, with our Python script. And it says, congratulations, you have entered the secret function. So we are now in the secret function. But of course, because there is no secret function, there was a segmentation fault and it crashed the program, which of course explains down here. Again, I highly encourage anyone that has not done a buffer overflow exploit to go to this website and give it a try.